The cocktail. It's coming from inside the house. For today's trick, we'll be making a treat that's a little bit spooky and a little bit sweet. The cereal killer. For this you'll need cereals of your choice, frosting, spatula, a rocks glass, ice, and cocktail. We're gonna be doing a Martell milk punch today. The recipe you can find below. We'll begin by taking your rocks glass and frosting, and we're gonna make a rim around the top quarter of the glass. Make sure it's nice and thick. We want all of our treats to stick to it. Now we're gonna take a mix of some of our favorite breakfast cereals, hence the cereal killer part. And take your glass and gently round it. This is also just a fun way to do breakfast. So we've got our garnish all set there. Put a little ice in. Cocktail, all whipped up. Ooh. Your spooky Halloween treat. And this is the sweetest cereal killer you'll ever meet. Thanks so much for watching. For more party tricks, you can find my videos on YouTube. Cheers.